This monster truck doesn't just drive, it destroys everything in its path. Born from a legend and engineered for chaos, the Traxxas Maxx is faster, tougher, and more insane than you think. And what it can do in the next few seconds might actually blow your mind.
What if you could own a desert racing beast that tears through dirt, sand, and rocks like a real trophy truck without ever leaving your backyard? Meet the Traxxas Unlimited Desert Racer, a 4WD electric race truck that's not just fast, it's insanely realistic, brutally powerful, and ridiculously fun to drive. This machine is built to replicate real desert racing trucks with a full-scale V8 engine replica, authentic suspension geometry, and a solid rear axle that delivers true off-road performance. The four-wheel drive system gives you incredible traction on any terrain, whether it's loose sand, gravel, or rugged trails. And let's talk speed. This beast can hit over 50 miles per hour with the right battery setup. That's not just fast, that's adrenaline on wheels. The long travel suspension system absorbs bumps like nothing else, keeping your ride smooth even when the terrain gets wild. Plus, the high-performance brushless motor ensures explosive acceleration and consistent power. Driving it feels less like controlling an RC car and more like piloting a real race truck. You feel every turn, every jump, every drift. Users love how stable it is at high speeds and how it handles rough terrain without flipping out. And the sound? The motor and tires together create a raw, aggressive feel that makes every run exciting. Whether you're racing with friends, exploring off-road trails, or just showing off in your neighborhood, this truck turns every moment into an event. If you want power, realism, and pure off-road thrill, the Traxxas Unlimited Desert Racer is not just a toy, it's an experience.
What happens when you take one of the most legendary RC monster trucks ever made and turn it into a smaller, faster, even more aggressive beast? This is the Traxxas Maxx, a machine born from the iconic X-Maxx, redesigned to be lighter, tougher, and absolutely explosive on any terrain. The Maxx takes everything that made the X-Maxx famous, its brutal strength, innovative engineering, and raw power, and packs it into a more compact, high-performance design. With its extended wheelbase and wide max stance, this truck delivers unmatched stability, especially when you're pushing it to the limit. Whether you're launching off ramps or tearing through rough terrain, it stays planted and in control. The upgraded sledgehammer tires provide insane grip and durability, allowing you to dominate dirt, grass, gravel, pretty much anything in your path. And power? Oh, it delivers. The brushless motor system gives you instant acceleration and incredible top speed, making every run feel intense and unpredictable, in the best way possible. Driving the Maxx feels like unleashing controlled chaos. It's fast, aggressive, and unbelievably tough. Users rave about how it handles crashes like a champ. Just flip it back over and keep going. The balance between size and power makes it perfect for both beginners looking for excitement and experienced drivers craving performance. From backyard bashing to full-throttle off-road adventures, the Maxx turns every session into a high-energy experience you won't want to end. If you want legendary DNA with next-level performance, the Traxxas Maxx is your ultimate monster truck upgrade. PureRtech. Like, comment, and subscribe.